Scenery of a river or lake with the sound of flowing water. In the calm waters of rivers, lakes, and swamps, there is a unique creature that spends its time between two worlds, the freshwater turtle. They are not only skilled swimmers but also adventurers in their habitat. A turtle slowly swimming underwater, unlike land turtles, freshwater turtles have a more streamlined body and webbed feet.
With these adaptations,
they can glide effortlessly through the water, moving gracefully as if dancing among the algae and rocks. A turtle climbing onto land, basking on a rock. But even though they are experts in water, they still need land. One of their most important habits is basking. When the sun shines, they climb onto logs or large rocks to warm their bodies. This is not just for relaxation. Basking helps them regulate their body temperature and prevent fungal growth on their shells. A turtle looking around, then diving into the water. However, freshwater turtles are also shy. If they sense danger, they can dive quickly and hide under the mud or beneath tree roots. This method is highly effective for avoiding predators like birds and large fish. A turtle eating aquatic plants and catching small insects. When it comes to food, freshwater turtles are omnivores. They eat aquatic plants, fruits, and even small insects or fish. Some species even hunt using a rapid suction technique, drawing their prey into their mouths in seconds. Young turtles swimming in shallow waters. Freshwater turtles also have a fascinating life cycle. Females lay their eggs on land, usually in sandy soil near the water. Once hatched, the baby turtles must quickly make their way to the water to survive against natural predators. Large and small turtles swimming together. From fast-flowing rivers to calm lakes, freshwater turtles have adapted remarkably. They are guardians of aquatic ecosystems, not only fascinating to observe, but also crucial for maintaining nature's balance. The sun sets over a lake with a turtle calmly floating on the surface. With slow yet steady steps, they continue to explore their habitat, proving that living between two worlds is their true mastery. Scenery of wetlands with the sound of trickling water and birds chirping. Amidst dense vegetation and shallow waters, a secretive bird hides the Eurasian black rail. This elusive bird is known for its shy nature and is more often heard than seen, making it a mysterious inhabitant of wetland ecosystems. The Eurasian black rail has a small body with dark plumage, allowing it to blend perfectly among the foliage. Rather than flying when startled, it prefers to run or hide. With its long legs, this bird moves swiftly across mud and thick grasses. Its favorite habitats are marshes, shallow lakes, and areas with dense vegetation. These are the places where it hunts for food. The Eurasian black rail is an omnivore feeding on insects, mollusks, as well as seeds and aquatic plants. With its sharp beak, it can easily forage for food in mud or water. One of the best ways to detect its presence is by listening to its call. The Eurasian black rail has a distinctive vocalization, often sounding like a series of whistles or squeaky chirps. These sounds are most commonly heard at dawn or dusk when they are most active. During the breeding season, they build hidden nests among dense aquatic vegetation. The female lays eggs and both parents take turns incubating them until they hatch. Once hatched, The young chicks can walk and swim almost immediately, but still rely on their parents for protection. Due to their shy nature and difficult-to-reach habitats, Eurasian black rails are rarely observed. However, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and spreading the seeds of aquatic plants. Although hard to find, this bird is a symbol of the beauty of wetland ecosystems. With careful movements and distinctive calls, the Eurasian black rail continues its quiet existence among the tranquil marshes. Bonaparte's gull, Croicocephalus philadelphia, a unique and fascinating seabird. Habitat of Bonaparte's gull. The Bonaparte's gull is a small seabird commonly found in North America. They have a wide distribution range from coastal waters, lakes to rivers. In the summer, they breed in the northern regions, especially in Canada and Alaska. Interestingly, unlike most gulls that nest on the ground or cliffs, Bonaparte's gulls prefer to build their nests in trees near water, similar to songbirds. In winter, they migrate southward to the coasts of the United States, Mexico, and even Central America. You can find them in bays, estuaries, freshwater lakes, and coastal waters. These birds are highly adaptable in choosing their habitat, as long as there is enough food available. Behavior and characteristics of Bonaparte's gull. Aside from their unique habitat, Bonaparte's gulls also have several distinctive traits that set them apart from other gull species.
Size and physical features.
Bonaparte's gull is one of the smallest gull species, measuring about 28-30 centimeters in length with a wingspan of approximately 80 meters. Their plumage is gray on the upper body and white underneath, with a small black beak. During the breeding season, their heads turn jet black, while in winter, their heads return to white with a slight grayish color behind the eyes.
Diet and hunting style.
These birds are omnivores. They eat small fish, insects, and crustaceans, but can also consume human food scraps in coastal areas. They are excellent swimmers and often hunt by briefly diving into the water or catching prey on the surface. Unlike most gulls, which are aggressive and often steal food, Bonaparte's gulls are calmer and less prone to conflicts. Each year,
they undertake a long migration journey from Canada and Alaska to warmer regions.
They often migrate in large flocks and fly in an organized formation, creating a stunning sight in the sky.
Interesting facts about Bonaparte's gull.
The name Bonaparte comes from a French ornithologist named Charles-Lucien Bonaparte, who was a nephew of Napoleon Bonaparte. They have softer calls compared to other gull species, sounding more like shorebirds. Unlike other gulls that often steal food from humans, Bonaparte's gulls are not particularly interested in human food. During the breeding season, they are very loyal to their mates and often return to the same nesting site each year. Bonaparte's gull is a unique small seabird that stands out from other gull species. Their tree nesting habit, calm hunting style, and interesting social behavior make them fascinating to observe. For birdwatching enthusiasts, Bonaparte's gulls are an exciting species to watch, especially during their large-scale migrations.
That's all for today's discussion.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment,
and subscribe to support this channel.
See you in the next video.